Hi everyone, so today we're going to talk about prepositional phrases as adjectives. So I have a little reminder here at the top. We've been talking about prepositional phrases for a while. So just a quick reminder that a prepositional phrase begins with a preposition, it ends with the object of the preposition, right? And that object must be a noun or a pronoun, and it will answer the question what or whom about the preposition. So this is for her, for is our preposition, and we ask for whom, and the answer is for her. So our prepositional phrase, for her. If you want to pause this and take a peek at this reminder again, go ahead. I am going to move forward into something new. So today we're going to look at prepositional phrases as adjectives. They can do the job of adjectives. And if you remember, the job of an adjective is to describe nouns or pronouns. Or if you like modify, better modify nouns or pronouns. It changes them. All right, so here's an example. The girl in the green dress is my best friend. In the green dress is our prepositional phrase, and it's acting like an adjective here because it is modifying or describing the noun girl. So in the green dress describes the girl. So here this whole phrase as a whole, all together as a single thing, works to describe the girl. All right, we are going to practice that. There are some little practice sentences down here, so we can practice. All right, the first one, well, first the directions. It says, identify the prepositional phrase and the noun it describes. So all 10 of these are going to be a two-part question. So let's do number 1 together, and then we'll start with 2 through 10. All right, so the dog on the leash tries to escape. So the first thing we need to do is identify the prepositional phrase. So the dog on the leash tries to escape. You might recognize on as a preposition. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran on the clock, right? It makes sense in there, so it's a preposition, or it can be. And we ask ourselves to find the object of the preposition and the rest of the prepositional phrase. On what? On the leash, right? So here our prepositional phrase is on the leash. And then the second piece of directions say to identify the noun that the prepositional phrase is describing. So the dog on the leash tries to escape. On the leash is describing what noun or pronoun? Who or what is on the leash? The dog, of course. So dog is the noun that the prepositional phrase is describing. All right, let's see. Have you practiced now? Number 2, the girl with the blonde hair is a talented singer. What is the prepositional phrase in this sentence? All right, if you said with the blonde hair, you are correct. We have the preposition with whom, with what, the blonde hair. All right, now the second question is, what is this prepositional phrase describing? What noun or pronoun in this sentence is with the blonde hair describing? All right, hopefully you found girl. Who or what is with blonde hair, right? The girl. So with blonde hair describes girl. Number 3, the cook in the kitchen makes the best meals. What is the prepositional phrase in number 3? All right, did you say in the kitchen? In the kitchen is the prepositional phrase. And what is this phrase describing? Who or what? What noun or pronoun? Good. Who or what is in the kitchen? It's the cook. The cook is in the kitchen. All right, number 4. Did you see the teacher with the purple dress? What's the prepositional phrase in number 4? Did you say with the purple dress? Good. Now, which noun or pronoun is this prepositional phrase describing? teacher, right? It's the teacher with the purple dress. So with the purple dress is acting as an adjective describing the noun teacher. Number 5, the ant under the log is the one I saw earlier. What is the prepositional phrase in number 5? Under the log is the prepositional phrase in this sentence. And of course, this prepositional phrase is acting like an adjective, so which noun or pronoun is it describing? Under the log is describing the noun ant. The cloud above the airplane looks like a marshmallow. What is the prepositional phrase in number 6? Did you say above the airplane? Good, that's the prepositional phrase. Now, which noun or pronoun is this prepositional phrase describing? Cloud. Above the airplane is describing the cloud. Number 7, the couch in the living room is the most comfortable place to sleep. What is the prepositional phrase in number 7? Did you identify in the living room as the prepositional phrase? Good. Now, which noun or pronoun is in the living room describing? It's couch. In the living room is describing the couch. Adjectives can tell us where things are. It's one of their functions. Good. Number 8, we are visiting the city near the river. What is the prepositional phrase in number 8? Near the river is the prepositional phrase in number 8. And which noun or pronoun is this prepositional phrase describing? Near the river is describing the noun city. Number 9, the park behind the school is open today. What is a prepositional phrase in number 9? Behind the school is the prepositional phrase, and it's behaving as an adjective. Which noun or pronoun is behind the school describing? Behind the school is acting like an adjective describing the noun park. And finally, number 10, many students noticed the clown in the big shoes. What's the prepositional phrase in number 10? In the big shoes is the prepositional phrase in this sentence, and it's behaving as an adjective, and it describes which noun or pronoun? The noun being described by the prepositional phrase in the big shoes is clown. In the big shoes describes the noun clown. All right, that is our work for today. I hope you have a wonderful day.